Stop. You're matching your lipstick wrong. This one mistake can ruin your whole outfit. Stop scrolling. Your lipstick might be ruining your whole outfit and you don't even realize it. What if I told you there's a perfect lipstick shade for every outfit? In this video, I'll show you the best lipstick matches for different colors, and one of them will completely transform your look. Watch till the end and tell me which one is your favorite. Number 1. Red outfit. Red goes with nude or soft pink lipstick. Which keeps the look balanced. Too much red can be overpowering. Go soft on the lips for that elegant, rich girl vibe. Number 2. White outfit. White outfit goes with bright red or coral lipstick, which makes you look clean plus eye-catching combo. No. 3. Black outfit. Black outfit goes with bold red lipstick. Classy and powerful look. Number 4. Blue outfit. Blue outfit goes with peach or nude lipstick, which makes you look soft and fresh vibe. Number 5. Green outfit. Green outfit goes with brown or nude lipstick, which gives you natural and trendy look, so go for it, girl. Number 6. Yellow outfit. Yellow outfit goes with pink or coral lipstick, which brings out bright and fun style in you, so do not miss this, girl. Number 7. Purple outfit. Purple outfit goes with nude or mauve lipstick, which gives you a chic and modern fashion look. So now you know the right lipstick can completely transform your outfit. But this is just the beginning. There are so many more fashion and beauty secrets you probably don't know yet. In my next videos, I'll show you more outfit plus makeup combos, styling tricks, and glow-up tips that will level up your whole look. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.